For the past few months, I've been so busy trying to fix my life that I almost forgot to enjoy it. Since May, ang daming nasa isip ko. Moving out, finances, future plans, trying to figure out what my next move should be. Trying to figure out how to create a better future for myself. At minsan kapag puro next step ang iniisip mo, nakakalimutan mo ng tignan kung nasan ka na. That's why I'm so grateful for this 5-day trip sa Bohol. Because for a while, tumigil yung ingay sa utak ko. Habang nagsusnorkeling, habang nag-ATV, habang nag-cliff jumping, habang sumasakay sa zipline, at habang nakatingin sa dagat, sa ulap, at sa horizon. Naalala ko na may mas marami pa palang pwedeng maranasan kaysa sa mga problemang iniisip ko araw-araw. And that's something I think a lot of us forget. We work hard, we worry, we plan, we try to solve everything. Pero minsan, nakakalimutan na nating mabuhay. Nakakalimutan na nating magsaya. Nakakalimutan na nating i-appreciate kung gaano kaganda yung mga bagay na meron na tayo. This trip reminded me that yes, my problems are real. My responsibilities are real. The things I need to figure out are still there. Pero ganun din yung mga experiences na pwede kong maranasan. Ganun din yung mga memories na pwede kong mabuo. At kapag may pagkakataon kang gumawa ng memories, magpahinga, o makakita ng maganda sa buhay, huwag mong palampasin. Because while we're busy building our lives, we should also remember to live them. At para sa akin, yun yung pinakamagandang bagay na naiuwi ko galing Bohol.